you ever opened a book and suddenly felt like you're inside another world? Well, that's the magic of books. Hi, my name is Ananya, and my talk is all about the magic of books and why books can be one of the most fascinating things in the world. Books are like doors to different worlds where you can see dragons flying in the sky, mermaids swimming in the ocean, or even heroes going on incredible adventures. Books are sometimes like an exercise for your brain. Scientists say reading books can help your brain become stronger and calmer and healthier. Books are really healthy for your brain. It can help your brain it can help you have more vocabulary, more language skills while having fun at the same time. If you're ever sleepy and it's your bedtime, If you're ever not sleepy and it's your bedtime, you can always grab a book and read it. You will start falling asleep in no time, and your eyes will fall asleep in no time. So one of the favorite things I like about books is the stories. Let me tell you about one of my favorite stories. There's this boy named Jonah and this girl named Abby. They discover a secret portal in a mirror in their basement. And then